This is the most awesome wilderness building. In order to have a place to escape the heat, the two boys have been struggling here for 60 days. A luxurious underground villa. It's hard because of the hot summer. The brothers plan to make this a summer resort. After drawing the design sketch, the two dug up without hesitation. A big hole was dug in the blink of an eye to facilitate entry and exit. They first cut out the stairs. After completion, the two continued the expansion work, and they just kept doing it, like two tireless humanoid machines. Soon they dug out another platform above. It looks like it's going to be turned into a living room. I have two. These guys are awesome. If you think they are great too, you might as well like and support them. With a living room, of course, the restaurant has to be arranged in place, although the two did not communicate throughout the process. I really admire their hands. Reflective my hands can only be used to wipe my butt. They take every detail seriously. Saying that the two are master builders is not stable at all. Have this craft. I don't know if they will accept apprentices. As for the shallots on the stove, the little brother first bundled the frame with wooden sticks and then paste it with clay. The next step is to make the bedroom. They're going incredibly fast. The bed is built with little effort. There are no less reclining chairs. This is also easy for both of them. The roof naturally needs to be arranged in place. After setting up the frame, put a mat on it and some clay mixed with hay. Smear on the roof into a rectangular groove. Then, they pour the manure into the reserved groove. Sprinkle with grass seeds. It won't be long. It's a piece of green oil on it. Then came the digging of the pool. You have to admire their physical strength. Simply invincible existence. Can't stop at all. I don't know how long it's been. The pool is finally taking shape. Even the staircase is made quite special. Grooves are also cut out of the steps above the pool. It seems that he also plans to focus on flowers and plants. As for the waterproofing of the swimming pool, the two brothers adopted this unique approach. Insert stones into the bottom of the pool. Dig another nest. After knocking it to pieces, add some ollie to make cement. Then apply it to the pool. To enhance the appearance of the swimming pool, they collected natural pigments. Paint the pool. Such a foreign swimming pool, of course, with a high-end atmospheric reservoir. This is not a problem for either brother. The whole process is very silky smooth. Finally, it is watered. The brothers received water from the curtain cave to the reservoir, flowing into the pool. I don't know when the grass planted has come alive, so green. Take advantage of the time when the water. The brothers got busy in the kitchen. The water didn't fill up until the next day, thinking of being able to stay here this summer, and they started swimming.